Yeah, I'm going to run through the easiest way to get large language models running on your laptop locally using a tool called Ollama. So you want to go to ollama.ai. I'm going to go ahead and click download. It has macOS and Linux support right now. Windows is on the roadmap. So I'm going to download it for Mac here. Mine's actually already downloaded and installed. But what you're going to do is you're going to launch Ollama after you download it. It's likely going to ask you to do a quick setup step. It's safe to open from the internet. You want to move it to the applications folder. And I'm going to run Ollama. Okay, so welcome to Ollama. And you want to install the command line tool for Ollama. And what's really nice about the setup for Ollama is that it just actually automatically does this for you. So I'm going to type in my password here because it needs permission here to run it. And then what you can do is copy this command and you can go to your terminal here. And this is actually going to pull the Llama 2 model and download it to your computer so that you can run it. And you'll notice up here in the top, you'll see this little Llama icon running. And that's how you know Ollama is running and that you can use these models. So what I'm actually going to do is we're going to go to the GitHub for Ollama. And if we scroll down here, you're going to see a few of the models that we can run. And the model I really recommend you play around with is this Mistral model. This is a model that came out last week, and you want to copy Ollama run Mistral, go to your terminal, and we're actually just going to switch this to Mistral. And you're going to notice that it's going to pull this model. And so for you, it'll take a few minutes to download. It's like a 4 gig download. For me, it's already installed, so I can actually just start interacting with this model right in my command line. So I could just say, hi, what model are you? And I'm guessing it should know that it's Mistral. Okay, so what I want you to notice here is that this isn't, we're not hitting an API, right? Like this is an AI large language model running locally on, consumer grade hardware. For reference, this is an M1 MacBook Pro Ultra. So a pretty good laptop, but I don't have to have an H100 or anything crazy to run this model. I could ask you, what is a for loop in JavaScript? Okay, and then it gives us an explanation for that. It gives us a code example. Okay, and again, I really want to emphasize this is running locally on my computer. I could turn my Wi-Fi off, could turn my internet off, and this would still work. So this is, in my opinion, Mistral7B really feels like an inflection point for open source LLMs that can actually run on, consumer grade laptops, which is super exciting. I've been starting to play around with it a ton. Hopefully soon I'll have some of the more intricate things I've been experimenting with to show you. But for right now, if you want to get set up with models that run on your laptop, use Ollama. It's the easiest way to go from nothing to a model like Mistral7B running on your laptop in 5 minutes. So go give it a try.